Wow.
Whoa!
Wow, you got big backyard. Oh, there's a treasure. Open again. Who's in there?
Yeah, open this one.
We open this side, Tiger. Open that side.
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors.
Wow, look at those beautiful plants, baby. Yeah, baby Sam, look at that tree. It's nice too. You like the tree, baby Sam? Yeah.
Dad.
Yeah. Yeah, Tiger. What's going on?
I found a secret door to Ryan's Toyreview house.
You found a door to Ryan's World?
Yeah, Ryan.
Toy?
Yeah, Ryan World Toy.
From where?
At Baby R Us. It's somewhere.
At Baby R Us. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's it at? Show me. Can you show me? Wow, we're at Baby R Us, kids. And Tiger found a secret door to Ryan's Toyreview's house. Where's it at?
It's in here.
It's in here? Is this it right here?
Yeah, this is it. I see him.
Okay, you go in first.
Whoa!
Whoa, we're going, Tiger. Whoa! Tiger? I do in here. Oh, Tiger. Tiger, come on.
Huh?
What are you doing? Come on.
Huh? Whoa, where did I get this from?
Whoa, you got that. Did you run out earlier and got it from Ryan's house? Okay, let's go.
Yeah,
Okay, shh. Okay, shh. Who's in here? Look out first. Look out first. Everything good? Anything good?
Oh, let's see.
Go, close.
Alright.
Good? Clear?
You have to give them 20 seconds.
Okay.
Because they're starting to record. I'm gonna go up first.
Okay, go first. Tell me it's clear, okay? Hang on, baby. Kiss.
Oh, it's clear.
Let's go.
Wow.
Wow. Look at that. Look at the house. Wow, Ryan's house is huge. Wow, look at that. We got lighting. Wow, Tiger. Look at this. That's Ryan and his dad. Look.
Wow.
Wow, that's awesome house.
No, that's Ryan's sister.
Oh, that's sister? Wow.
Whoa.
Wow, you got big backyard.
Hmm?
Wow. Okay, let's go check out the kitchen.
What's doing here?
I don't know. Let's check out the kitchen. Wow. He loved to. Ryan's mom loved to cook.
Wow. What is it?
Wow. Look at this. Tiger, that's why they put the honey, Tiger. Look. Tiger, that's why they put the honey right there. Look.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Cook something, Tiger. Cook something for Ryan. Cook something.
Two plates.
Okay, cook something. Let me see you cook something.
So right here.
Yeah.
Here. And this. Be right here. What's for this? I had the meat.
That's food, yeah.
Meat.
Wow. Wow, cooking good food. Look at this, Tiger. Wow, this thing is nice, huh? Let's go. Let's check it out. Let's see what's in the refrigerator. Tiger, look at the refrigerator. Tiger, you done? Tiger, look at the refrigerator, Tiger.
Alright, I made food for them.
All right.
And now, all we do is, like for us, is soup.
All right, get some soup.
Soup. There.
Are done?
Alright, soup is done.
All right.
For you?
All right, thank you. Okay, Tiger, let's look in the refrigerator. Look in the refrigerator.
Fish.
Yeah.
There's food.
Wow,
There's
nothing. Let's go upstairs, Tiger. Let's go upstairs. Come on. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go check it out. Check out upstairs. Yeah, baby Steph. What happened? Okay, let's go.
No.
Whoa! Look at upstairs, Tiger. This house is huge. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Slumber party. Wow, look at that.
Wow.
What is this? Oh, this is mom's bedroom. Wow, look at that. They like collecting stuff. Wow, look at this. Baby Seth, want to sit here? Yeah. Yeah, look at Baby Seth. He's chilling. You sit here, Baby Seth. Let's see. You sit on that side, Baby Seth. You sit that side. Yeah. Hi, Baby Seth.
Oh, this one's on. Actually, won't come to you.
Oh, look, he love it. Look, Baby Seth, love it. Look. Hi, Baby Seth. Yeah, he like it. Wow. Look. Oh, let's go check out the restroom. Let's go check out the restroom. Wow, look at this, Tiger. Oh, you can take a shower in there, Tiger. You can go in there. What?
Treasure.
Whoa, we got a treasure box up there. Look at the treasure box. Wow, that's awesome.
That was the grand prize.
Yeah. You can take a shower in there too, Tiger. Look.
Shower time.
Yeah, you can take a shower in there. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at Brother taking a shower. Then take a shower. Let's get. Come on, Tiger. Come on. Let's go. Wow, my house is huge, kids. Look at that.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Come on. Let's check out Ryan's room. Let's check out Ryan's room. Tiger. Let's check out Ryan's room. Tiger, let's go.
Oh wow.
Let's go. Let's check out Ryan's room.
Not my fault.
Okay, come on. Check out Ryan's room. Let's go.
Pew.
Yeah. Oh, what?
What is this? Hello.
Okay, let's go check out Ryan's room.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow, this is wash and dryer. It's huge, huh? Yeah.
What is this?
Wow, this is Ryan's sister's room, Tiger. Look at that.
What is this?
Oh, there's a treasure. Open it again. Who's in there?
Let's open this one.
We open this side, Tiger. On that side. Whoa, there's nothing.
Get to open it.
It's huge. Where? Tiger, let's go. Let's go. Come on. I hear somebody coming. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Here's somebody coming. Go. Go. How are we getting out here? This way? Oh, this way. Okay, go.
Yeah, it's time to rest.
Well, I have a time to rest. We gotta go. Go on. Let's go. Get up. He's coming. Let's go. Oh, good job. Go. Go. Wait for Daddy. Tiger, open up. Wait for Daddy. Baby, here's it. Let go. Okay. Wait, go. Open up. Wait for Daddy, Tiger. Tiger, open up. Tiger's leaving without us. Tiger is gone. Oh no, we gotta catch up. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Whoa. Tiger?
What?
I think we're here.
Alright.
Whoa! Yay! We made it home. Yeah, let's go outside. Yeah, we made it, kids. We made it back home. I mean, not home. We made it back to Toys Baby Us. We made it.
You made it.
Yes, Baby Us. Baby Seth, you made it back. Yeah. All right.
Alright. Yay.
Tiger. Ryan got a lot of stuff in his house, huh?
I know, right?
His house is
cool.
huge. Yeah, his house is huge. What do you like his house?
Hmm.
The big door? You like the big door your house got?
Yeah, the big door.
Yeah, and you got lots of toy too, huh?
I know.
Okay, kids, we're at Baby Us, and we found a secret door to Ryan's world house, Ryan Toyreview's house. Okay, Tiger, that's it. What you say?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Tigerbox HD and SuperBaby Colors. Make sure to subscribe and like please. Bye bye.
Bye bye.